A very good morning, dear students. I would like to welcome all of you to the political science class. You remember that in our last class we have discussed the topic tolerance and management of faction, which we discussed in our June class, isn't it? And I'm happy that many of you have written your homework and then you have sent to me. So today we are here with a new political party, that is Bharatiya Jana Sangh. Students, most of the time I have seen that from this other political parties except Congress, or from all other political parties, 1 mark questions like fill in the blanks, then true and false, then sometimes match the following, sometimes rewrite the correct answer, rewrite the correct sentence. So those type of questions it comes. Therefore, I have tried to cover all the important points in my explanation. You just note down these points, remember these points, and you try to understand what type of questions it comes in the exam from this particular topic. So, Bharatiya Jana Sangh, it was formed in 1951. So, the first question, when the Bharatiya Jana Sangh was formed? So the answer will be, it was formed in 1951. Its founder president was Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Who founded Bharatiya Jana Sangh? We have to write that it was founded by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. He was the founder president of Bharatiya Jana Sangh. This is a political party which emphasized the idea of one party, one culture and one nation. And this is something which makes this political party different from all other political parties. If you see all other political parties, their ideology is they never emphasize on this idea. It's completely different, where it believes that one party, one culture, one nation. Bharatiya Jana Sangh, it believed that our country could become modern, progressive and strong on the basis of Indian culture and tradition. It means this political party was in favor of Indian culture and tradition. And it believed that India could, become modern, progressive and strong by our own culture, by our own tradition. So one of the questions it can come from here, what is the main ideology of Bharatiya Jana Sangh? Second, it can be, what is the idea that Bharatiya Jana Sangh believed in? Okay. The party called for a reunion of India and Pakistan in Akhand Bharat. This is very important. No other political party after independence believes in the reunion of India and Pakistan. It was only one party, Bharatiya Jana Sangh, which believed that reunion of India and Pakistan can be done in Akhand Bharat. Some of the leaders of Bharatiya Jana Sangh are Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Din Dayal Upadhyaya and Balraj Modak. So students, from here, what are the questions it can come? In which year Bharatiya Jana Sangh was formed? Who was the founder president of this political party? What is the main ideology of this political party? Or what makes Bharatiya Jana Sangh different from other political parties? And what is the belief of Bharatiya Jana Sangh? What they believed in? Okay. And name the political party which believed in reunion of India and Pakistan. So that will be Bharatiya Jana Sangh. And name few founders or few leaders of Bharatiya Jana Sangh. So students, I request all of you note down these points, try to understand it. If any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Thank you so much.